Hi, I'm Tyler.
Hi. Oh, I'm sorry. Hi, I'm Julia.
And I'm Chelsea.
Hi, I'm Jamie.
Hi, I'm Sherilyn.
And this is Try This, Guess That Challenge. Is that what it's called?
The chocolate covered challenge.
All right, we're getting blindfolded. And then we're going to guess what chocolate covered item we're eating.
All right, let's do it.
Oh. Oh, it's kind of furry.
What is this?
There we go.
I can't.
All
Oh,
right.
is this it? Ooh,
It's long.
interesting.
Is this a pickle?
Or is it celery?
A little tropical.
It is tropical.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Oh,
it's a pickle.
okay.
Is it weird?
Okay.
Is it weird that I like it?
I've never had this before.
I don't think I have either. Like, it's a very unfamiliar taste.
Is it seasonal?
This is great. They don't serve this in the caf.
You guys want to know?
Yeah.
It's chocolate covered pickle.
What?
What?
I'm shook.
I love pickles.
I hate pickles.
All right.
Okay, we're back.
This is round number dose, right?
Nervous.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ooh.
Should we guess before we try it?
Okay, let's see. That's fun.
All right. Let's on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Marshmallow.
Cherry.
Some type of fruit.
It's strawberry.
Mm-hmm.
I'm here for that.
Do we say our final guess? Strawberry?
That's a strawberry for sure.
Okay, just checking. Who would set aside their meetings all day to try food? 2 thumbs and canceled her meeting to try food. This girl.
Crunchy.
Crunchy. A little salty.
A little nutty.
Oh.
Oh.
Pretzel.
Yeah.
For sure.
Pretzel? Doesn't taste like a pretzel.
I would go with a pretzel.
I don't think that's what it is.
It's a pretzel.
Oh, it is a pretzel.
3, 2, 1.
Ooh, wait, this is weird.
There's like spikes.
Yeah.
What?
Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Oh, no.
A lemon. That has to be a lemon.
Why?
I barely bit into that and just
That's
tasted the
so
juice.
rude. Why didn't you end with the strawberry?
Oh my god.
Oh, this is sour. Woo!
I didn't like that at all.
Orange.
Yeah, for sure.
It tasted like the cleaning supplies like going down my mouth.
Yeah, like I feel like I could wash my toilet bowl out.
Ooh, I think I got a seed.
That was hot trash. That was evil.
All right, were we right?
You're absolutely right.
Yes.
Bring the pickles back.